Hello guys, I'm Aditya from Department of Biotechnology. Today we are going to learn dynamic memory allocation in C programming. Okay, let's jump into the code. Here, hashtag include studio.s. This is the header line which contains standard input and output library. And then here we are importing another function standard library stdlib which contain malloc, calloc and free function which is used to use dynamic memory allocation in C programming. Int main, this is the initial line of the program. Int n and I. Here we are declaring n and I as integer data type, and then we are asterisk ptr. We are declaring float data type, and then printf. Here we are printing enter number of elements in the array, which is used to uh, use it to get the value from the user and store it with the help of scanf statement. And then we are using a new syntax line. Ptr is equal to float of star malloc n into size of float of int. Here we are using ptr as float data type, so we are mentioning float here. If we are using int as data type, then we need to mention here int. And then if ptr equal to null, if nothing is there, then it must print memory allocation is failed. Or else, if we successfully allocated the memory in the buffer, then it need to print enter the elements of array. And then it will execute for loop, and which will be storing the value which is provided by the user. And then finally, we are using printf statement to return value from the to print the value from the user which is provided by the user. And then we are using return zero statement to terminate the program. Let's run the code. Here gcc file name malloc.c. We have some errors. Okay, let's debug the code. Here we have missed the semicolon, and then here scanf statement misses semicolon. Let's run the code again. Gcc malloc.c. We are using ./a.txt extension to run the code. See here, enter the number of elements in array. Let me give us 3. Let me give array values 5, 6 and then 7. See here, I have I have given the value in integer data type, but I have got the value in float data type, because here I have got here in ptr I have declared it as float data type. So if I provide a integer, it will be converted into float temporary in the buffer. Similarly, we can change the data type which is provided by us in the buffer. Thank you.